I am plus adjective. I am kind. I am sad. I am shy. I am cold. I am hot. I am tired. I am loyal. I am brave. I am proud. I am angry. I am caring. I am hungry. I am happy. I am thirsty. I am loving. I am honest. I am excited. I am bored. I am sleepy. I am reliable. I am flexible. I am patient. I am helpful. I am friendly. I am realistic. I am practical. I am humble. I am modest. I am content. I am forgiving. I am punctual. I am satisfied. I am grateful. I am confident. I am creative. I am talented. I am optimistic. I am reserved. I am focused. I am intelligent. I am ambitious. I am adaptable. I am organized. I am successful. I am respectful. I am introverted. I am determined. I am trustworthy. I am extroverted. I am resourceful. I am unassuming. I am embarrassed. I am hardworking. I am open-minded. I am independent. I am kind-hearted. I am compassionate.